Our coverage of Money Disrupt 2024 is brought to you by Alphium, Blockflow Alliance, Dynex, and Yeti Audits. A huge thank you to our partners allowing us to make this content possible. And let's get into today's episode.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech. We're over here now at the Iceriver booth, where they have a number of units out on display. Obviously, the KSL, the KS5M, 12 terahash at 3,400 watts, or 15 terahash at 3,400 watts. 3 to 5 months ROI or payback time, which is really nice. And then you got all the units over here kind of set up. So the KS0 Ultras, all in their various color forms. You got the black, you got the green, and then over here is the KS5L. Same thing that we're used to, right? We got our C19, C20 power port, fans on either side, Ethernet, power reset, SD card, the whole 9 yards. They got a really nice booth here too. I mean, it's really well set up. So they came out and brought the big guns, and it's good to see them here at Money Disrupt 2024. I think they're doing some giveaways. I love Caspa, that's cute. Hang on, let's take a look at this. So I love Caspa. Crypto mining should be accessible to everyone. I agree with that. Bitcoin was Caspa's testnet. That's good stuff, good stuff. So obviously showcasing some of their products that they have. There's some of the big boys over there. Let's go try to get over there real quick. So yeah, more, these are KS. So over there on that side was the KS0 Ultras. These are the pros, right? We got a couple of those. We got the KS5Ls. Okay, so all of these are 5Ls. So I don't think the M1 is here. Let me go see if there's any ones on the other side. Here we go. So KS5M. You know, these ASICs are very tall, right? So you can see here right next to the L, if I kind of put them parallel to each other, let's try to do that real quick. You can see how much longer the M is to the L, right? So I would say roughly about 2.5 inches longer, but these guys are very powerful. Everybody's on them. It's just out of my price range. I would love to mine with these, especially mine some Caspa, but they're just outside of my price range, but it may not be for you. And if you're wanting to support and help secure Caspa, you know, these big ASIC miners, having ASICs on the network isn't necessarily a bad thing, as many people think it is. It makes it KS0 Pros and Ultras. I know I've seen a lot of the users rocking the green ones, so that's good to see. And it looks like maybe they're doing a giveaway, I'm not entirely sure. Follow, tweet, lottery, complete task, win mining machine. So basically you could win either a KS5 L, and then second prize KS Ultra, so that's 3 people, and then there's the KS0 Pro, 5 people. So if you're here at Money Disrupt, make sure you enter the giveaway, and look, they even have the boxes ready to go, everything's set up. But no, Iceriver did a really good job setting up their booth. It looks very beautiful, and I'm here for it. I'm happy to see Iceriver out here. I just think, you know, considering what Red Panda was talking about, and many in the community, it kind of felt like Iceriver undercut the entire market and other vendors of machines by a decent amount, and it kind of felt like, whoa, you know, I just spent a lot of money on this machine, and a month later, you know, first off, I spent all this money, I haven't got my machine, and a month later now the machines are drastically reduced in pricing. So kind of iffy situation, but I wish them nothing but the best of luck. And that's going to do it over here at the Iceriver booth at Money Disrupt 2024. Make sure you hit the like button, and let's go see what else we got going on. I'll catch you in a bit.